Now, the next thing I want to talk about is the actual row height. So how do we control like how wide this height is, right? Now here at the top, I'll click on section settings. And then for the design, I will go to sizing. Yep, sizing. All right, now scrolling down, you're gonna see min height, height, and then max height. Now here, I'll go ahead and select the height. And what we can do is put something like 800, okay? Now 800, here I'll select pixels. Now there's a big problem with pixels. So remember, pixels deals in absolute. So depending on the screen size, it's not going to adjust. It will always be 800 pixels no matter what. If you want to use proper web design practices, always select VH. So VH, and we're gonna select 90. Now 90 is not full width, but it's almost full width. If you want a 100% full width landing page, you're gonna select 100 VH. Let me give you an example of how this is very different on different screen sizes. So going back to our demo website, let me demonstrate the difference between VH and pixels. Now this is VH, right? And below that we have pixel heights. Now at first glance, these look identical, right? But let me change the screen size. Okay, so now I changed my monitor to 2K. So as of right now, my resolution is 2K, and I'm gonna make this website bigger. Okay, so now you'll see that this covers the entire landing page. So that's what VH does. It fully optimizes the background for all devices. Now, if we scroll down to pixels, here we go. You're gonna notice that we have now all this white space, because remember, pixels deals in absolutes. It's always gonna be a specific pixel size no matter what the screen size. So if you select something like VH, it will automatically adjust to all screen sizes. So when dealing with heights on your backgrounds, always use VH. Now going back to our website, now let's finish the landing page. Now one big problem here is you're gonna see that we have all this space, and I want this section to be even and centered in the middle of the page. So to do that, I'll click on the row settings, and you're gonna see the sizing options, and then you have this option called grow to fill. This essentially will take the row setting and it'll spread it evenly inside of the section. And then from here, we can now use the Flexbox and control these elements. So here we go. I'm gonna go over here to the row settings, and we're going to go to layouts. And now we can use the Flexbox and manipulate these elements inside of the row. So for example, I want this in the centered, and I want this aligned in the center just like that. So after I close that, you're now gonna see this align center perfectly for our landing page.